Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Smurf Cat. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, I'm going to first start off by zooming in on the head. We'll start with 2 lines down for the nose bridge. Then for the bottom of both lines, let's curve it out. Then let's curve it in, bringing it up, and then down. And the same on the right. And then underneath, let's draw 2 curves. And color them both in black. Next, on each side of the nose, let's draw 2 small curves up. And that's it for the nose. Now let's hop to the side and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with a curve up and down. Now from the inside, let's curve it over, down, and up underneath. Now inside, towards the center, let's draw a set of circles. And then color both of the eyes in black. Next, above each eye, let's add another curve. And then a small curve underneath the inside. Next, let's hop up and let's draw the eyebrows. From the top of the nose, let's curve it over with a wavy line. Then let's add some curved lines on top. Next, let's hop down and let's draw the mouth. From under the nose, let's draw a small line down. Then let's curve it over and up on both sides. Then on both sides, let's add some curved whiskers. Next, underneath the mouth, let's add a curve across. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve in and bring it into the side of the mouth. And the same on the right side. And now let's connect it at the top with a zigzag line. Next, let's add the mushroom on the top of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. Then for the ends, let's curve it down and back into the head. Now inside, let's start in the center and let's draw a line up and then work our way outwards, drawing curved lines. Now let's hop over to the sides and let's draw a curve up and in on both sides. Then let's curve it up and back down to close it off at the top. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw 2 curves down for the neck. Then let's curve it out and down for the shoulders. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the shape of the torso. Let's start by drawing a line down and curve it in on both sides. Then underneath, let's curve it down and out. And then inside at the bottom, let's draw 2 curves for the tops of the pants. Next, let's move inside and let's add some details to the body. Let's start under the right shoulder and let's draw a curve down to the left side and the same thing underneath. Now inside at the top, let's draw a curve down and out on both sides for the collarbone. Now top up above the left shoulder and let's draw a bunch of circular curves. Now let's draw the stick behind the right shoulder. On top of the right shoulder, let's draw 2 angled lines up and out. And then a curve at the end. Next, let's draw the snail. From on top, let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And then a line down on the left. Now inside, let's draw a V-shaped point. And then one more on the right side. Now at the end, let's draw the snail shell. We'll start with the curve at the bottom, and then a large curve to close it off. Now inside, let's draw a swirl. Now in the right section, let's draw some curved stripes. And that's it for the snail. Now at the end, let's draw a pointed V shape going out to finish off the stick. And that's it for all the details on the back. Now let's move down and finish drawing the arms. Let's start next to the chest and let's draw another angled line down from both sides. Then from both ends, let's draw a bump down like this. Now underneath, let's draw the hands. We'll start from the lower line and let's draw a small curve down. Then let's curve it down and back up for the thumbs. Now for the next finger, let's draw an angle out. Then bring it down and up. And then add a small angle at the top. Now let's draw the next finger. We'll start with an angle at the top and we're going to bring it down and curve it in. And then for the last finger, let's start at the wrist and let's bring it all the way down, curve it down and back in. And that's it for the hands and arms. Now let's move in and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the waist in the center and let's draw a curve like this. Now underneath, let's draw 2 angled lines. Now let's hop to the sides and let's curve it down and in. And then bring it down at the bottom. Next, let's add the feet. Let's start from the inside line and let's draw a small curve down. Then for the outside, let's curve it outwards. Next, let's hop in between and let's draw a curve up to the outside and down. And then let's add a large curve at the bottom to close off each foot. And that's it for Smurf Cat. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!